hand. The race is on. Himless. Fast to begin. Rushing up. Don Ezekiel. Apo Magic. Bebot is running by the row. It's now Himless. Bebot. Don Ezekiel winning hand. Apo Magic is racing in fifth. Alongside is Amazing Damascus Stormtrooper. Sharp Cookie. You Belong to Me. Super Elegant. And Madam Leonora. Bebot by a half a length, followed by Winning Hand, Don Ezekiel, Himless, Amazing Damascus, You Belong to Me, running 6 by the alongside Sharp Cookie, Apo Magic, Stormtrooper, Super Elegant, second last Madam Leonora. It's Bebot, Winning Hand is running by the Don Ezekiel, Amazing Damascus, Himless by the fifth as they race the final corner. It's Winning Hand, Bebot, Amazing Damascus, Don Ezekiel as they race the last 250. Winning Hand by about 3 lengths, followed now by Amazing Damascus. It's Winning Hand, Himless, down on the inside, Amazing Damascus on the outside, moves up, Amazing Damascus, Himless running by the rail, Himless, Amazing Damascus, Himless, and finally, Amazing Damascus, Himless, Winning Hand, Stormtrooper. Close. You Belong to Me, Super Elegant, Bebot.
Okay, 14-7.